Today I picked up this Sony RDR-VX555. It's a VCR and DVD recorder. Paid 20 bucks for it. That's what that thing says over there, 20 bucks. DVD side works great, but this VCR door doesn't want to open. So I knew that when I bought it. I'm gonna try to open it up and see if I can figure out what's going on with it and see if the VCR side works. All right, so to take off this cover, there's one screw on this side, one screw on this side, and then 3 on the back. And then I need to get access to this cover. So it looks like it's just these tabs you gotta lift up, 1, 2, 3 on the top. And then 1, 2, 3 on the bottom. And this should pop off, so let me do that. Now those 6 tabs pop this guy off. And now I can try to see what's going on here. Yep, that's what's wrong with it. This guy needs to go under this hook right here. Yeah, so that tab, this is with it upside down. That tab right there is definitely out of place. I gotta try to get it back in there, and then we'll see how it goes. Sorry, I'm doing this with one hand, so it's kind of hard to show you what I'm doing, but you gotta get that tab back in there, and now it works perfectly. All right, so it looks like it should work a little better, but it's still not ejecting. So I'm gonna take it back apart. All right, the piece I was missing was this plastic piece. Needs to go underneath that flap right there to open the door. And that's what I was missing. So when you eject it, this moves. And hopefully the door goes up. So let me try to get that done. All right, so I got that plastic piece seated underneath the door.
I had to do some thinking. I mean, you know, a disqualification means the fight's over.
So it seems to work pretty well.
This is a game I've been playing since I was 3 years
See
old,
how it
so it's been
ejects?
a part of.
Oh yeah, not bad for 20 bucks.